Okay, we are at number 8, but I think before we go on to number 8, I want to make a point about number 7. As we saw, number 7 is valid. Does that mean that it's a good argument? What do you think? Pause the video, think about that, come back when you're ready. It does not, correct? In order to say that an argument's good, we are evaluating both the assumptions, the premises, and the inferences. When I say that number 7 is valid, all I'm doing is evaluating the inferences, the connections between the premise and the conclusion. I'm not evaluating those premises themselves. In fact, I think there are some premises here that might be open to challenge, but it is nonetheless valid, right? Okay. Now let's go on to number 8. Either utilitarianism is right or deontology is the correct theory of ethics. So let's symbolize that as either U or D. If utilitarianism is right, then human beings aren't more important than any other animal. If utilitarianism is right, then humans are not more important than any other animal. If deontology is correct, there is an objective moral law. Pause for a bit, ask yourself, can you conclude something at that point? Think about that, come back when you're ready. Can we? I think we can. It's either utilitarianism or it's deontology. If it's utilitarianism, then humans aren't more important. If it's deontology, then there's an objective moral law. So either humans are not more important than any other animal, or there's going to be an objective moral law. That's valid because of complex dilemma. Hopefully that's starting to feel a little bit better for you now. Sometimes the dilemmas, both simple and complex, can be a little bit confusing, but after we've done it for a while, maybe it's starting to feel a little bit more like home. Humans are more important than any other animal, says the next claim. Okay, what can we conclude now? Pause the video, think for a bit, come back when you're ready. What can we conclude? Well, either not I or O, but I. In other words, not I, right? So from that, we can conclude O, valid disjunctive syllogism. Again, if you find that in any way a little bit shaky, just remember that there are two invisible tildes, two invisible like not signs in front of everything. Right? So I is just not I, but either not I or O, but not I, so it must be O. If there weren't an objective moral law, this is where we're at now. So if not O, then ethics would be relative. Therefore, okay, so we are supposed to now conclude that ethics are not relative. And my question for you is, can we conclude that? Pause the video, think for a bit, come back when you're ready. Can we? Oh no, we cannot. If we were to try to do that, that would be committing the fallacy of negating the antecedent. That's like saying, if Max is a poodle, then Max is a dog. Max is not a poodle, therefore Max is not a dog. Does not work, right? Max could not be a poodle and still be a dog. Very good. I will catch you in number 9.